Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to read Amazon Kindle books. So if you also want to read Amazon Kindle books, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Amazon Kindle application. You can see over here Amazon Kindle is opened. You can see several books over here. You can see the books that are most like your recent books. You can also see the books that are popular this month. You can also see the most wished for Kindle books. You can also see the new releases. You can select the book from your home page. You can also select the genre over here. You can see several genres like romance, literature and fiction, biographies, history, sci-fi, etc. Tap on the genre of your choice. Now you'll be able to see the book of that genre over here. You can choose from this or you can also search for the book. All you have to do is tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in the book name. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. All you have to do is tap on the book that you want to read. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see the option for add to list and download sample. You cannot buy the books in Amazon Kindle. It is due to the policy of Google Play Store. If you want to buy the books, you can visit the official website for ebooks of Amazon. So if you want to read this book, simply tap on the option download sample. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see the option for read now. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to read the book. So that is how you read Amazon Kindle books. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.